Hi, and welcome to thethings.iO. In this tutorial, we will be setting up geofences with the things.io's IoT platform. To create a geofence, go to Things in the sidebar, then click on Details next to one of your products. It does not matter what product, the geofence made under one will show up under the others. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the tab Geofencing. You also have the option to change the look of the map to best suit your needs. You can click either the polygon or the square to draw your geofence. If you choose polygon, remember to click the first point again to close the shape. When you're finished drawing your geofence, you will be prompted to give it a name and tag. You can make the name whatever you choose, but make sure the tag is geo_, followed by the location. For example, geo_Nevada. If you select one of the shapes you have already drawn, you'll have the option to update geofence or delete geofencing. Now that you have a geofence, you'll want to tag some of your things to that geofence. To do this, click back over to the Things tab and click Details next to one of your things. Then click Add Tag. Give this tag the same name as you gave to the geofence. For example, geo_Nevada, to tie this thing to my Nevada geofence. In order to use your new geofences, you'll want to create a job. Jobs are JavaScript code that can be executed once every hour or once a day depending on what you set your frequency to. To create a new job, go to Cloud Code in the sidebar. Then find the section that says Jobs and click the Add Job button in the upper right. Give your job a name, assign it to the correct product, and set its frequency. The frequency is how often the job will automatically run. You can copy this code from the blog post linked to this video. There you can also find more information about what each function in this job does. Make sure to save. If you want to run some tests manually, you can click on Developers in the sidebar, then Developers Console. Now on the edit screen of your job, scroll down and find the button Preview. Click this and all of your logs will show up in your Developers Console. When you do this, you will also see new data in your geofencing widget we will set up next in the Insight dashboard. So here it shows me which thing it is and which geofence it is inside of and which it is outside of. And you can see all of your logs. Your geofences will automatically show up on the maps in your main dashboard. Remember, you can create a map by doing the following. If you have an Insight dashboard set up with your map widget, you can click on one of the things to get a closer look. For more information on Insight dashboards and how to set them up, check out the previous blog post and video. Now let's make a widget on our Insight dashboard that shows where this thing has been. Once in the Insight dashboard you want to edit, click the Add Widget icon and do the following. Our data will come from a thing, and our resource name we gave it in the job was alert_inside-outside. You don't need to click real time because this widget will automatically update every hour or every day, depending on what you set the frequency to in the job. Under custom parameters, you may want to set a limit to the number of entries you see on the widget. For example, I set mine to 10 values. Don't worry if the data looks odd. The data you see when editing an Insight dashboard is randomly generated because you're building a template. Now save your Insight dashboard and you're ready to use it. When on your main dashboard, click on one of the things in the widget connected to this Insight dashboard and you should see the results of where this thing has been in terms of the geofences you connected it to. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions on the things.io's IoT platform.